if you're experiencing issues with the EASC25 update getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem and get back to playing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or devices to confirm that the issue is not with your network. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve update issues. Power off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to see if the update resumes. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clearing the cache can help. On PlayStation, hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode, then select the option to clear the cache. On Xbox, hold the power button for 10 seconds to fully shut down, then restart. For PC, you can clear temporary files through the settings. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming. Navigate to the update section, select the update, pause it for a few moments, and then restart it to see if it progresses. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to stall. Make sure to back up any saved data if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the EASC25 update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.